But this joint definitely wrong to look out of it. I'm finna do a walk around to the front. That's what we got new. So you like that, huh?
Tell him I'm like that.
So
Take
like
over
that,
King
huh?
in Chicago.
So you slide out of Chicago.
Take over King, man.
What it do? It's your boy, the 96 over Johnson. I'm back with another video. I don't know what he got playing in the background, but we just gonna ignore that. We got my. Hey, what you doing? What you walking past the camera for?
What's up, y'all?
Make sure you introduce yourself, bro. Y'all already know who this is. The
It's your boy, Adonis 815, man. Make sure y'all subscribe.
Hey, this camera looking clear, bro.
It is, though.
This camera looking clear. I don't know if it's the light or what. Yeah, there's some lights. But y'all see,
Oh, yeah. Hey,
she under surgery
I don't
right
think
now.
they
Bro.
ready for what they finna see, though.
Bro, I would never. I'm gonna hold that to the end of the video. I'm gonna pull out on that one. Hey, not like that. But y'all ain't gonna see that part until I come outside because my boy Zay just went.
Oh, yeah, he snapped.
You lost the top with that one. It was smart. But we had some little touch-ups before I go to Dallas, as y'all know. Had to rewrap the back. It was kind of peeling a little bit. Oh, snap. It was kind of peeling back there. Not peeling. I can't think of the word. Needed a heat gun. Needs to use a heat gun. Whatever. A little wrinkly back there, so he took that off. Dang, this car getting dusty already. I just got it washed. We got. She in her zone right now. You good? You sure? Mm-hmm. You sure? All right, fine.
Okay.
Ignore me. Fine. All right. Do you?
I told you I was good.
Show him that. Hold on. I gotta go back. I gotta make sure I edit that out. I might just let it play. If y'all caught it, y'all caught it. Make sure you use a heat gun for this, sir. The 3. So I will lose a 3, another 3. It's hanging a little bit. But yeah, a little small, minor touch-ups before the Dallas trip. Cause it's finna be up. You already know the shoes coming. We got my boys out here. Donald's 815 car right there. My boy wife Vontae right here. Oh snap! Hold on. Let me go ahead. Hold on. Look, he posted by the car. Look, he flick up. Oh, I see you, boy.
I'm getting this free Wi-Fi right now.
You said I'm getting this free Wi-Fi. Y'all seen this in the last video though, but the stripes, man, definitely nice because everybody goes satin or carbon with the stripes, and he went gloss. So definitely bring it out. And on the cat is different too. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that at all, bro. But we gonna talk about that once I pull the video up. I mean, pull, bro. What am I talking about, bro? Pull this cat out. Yeah, pull the video. I got a lot going on right now, bro. I ain't thinking straight. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy Montego Games, man. Got road to what? Road to what?
Road to
5K? Yeah, 5K. Yeah. I peep. Bro, I be watching. I be watching, bro. I be watching, bro, for sure. You got me hanging. You got me hanging.
Oh, I didn't see
Oh, here we got my boy Keanu. Look, hey, Daddy.
Oh, man.
Oh man, but yeah, this was all about just us having a good time, waiting for the car to be done, just chilling. Like I said in the last video, just young, black excellence, man. That's right. Y'all see the drift though. Hold on, drip check. Who the drippiest person out here? I think I don't know. I think I gotta give it to Donnie. Donnie got that. Oh, I like that sweater a little bit. Donnie, you probably the drippiest in the room right now. I don't know. Who y'all think in the comment section? Let me know who y'all think is the drippiest, man. Excuse the wind noise too. I don't know what's going on with this microphone, but hopefully I'm able to actually go through with this video because I had two clips. That didn't record the audio, so I think this video good though, so I ain't worried about it. But hey, we finna go tear downtown up after the
Vibe and have a good time, though.
bro. That's what I said, bro. This is all about, bro.
You talking about your Chinese New Year's?
This is my idea, bro. I was like, bro. Then I said this, bro. I said we all gotta unite this summer and just have everybody linked up, bro. I said it, bro. I'm making it happen, bro. Anybody I'm watching, bro, I'm literally like, bro, we literally finna go up this year, bro.
Bro, this not even everybody.
This not even everybody. Like I said, this not even half, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I want to do it with us young. Like I prefer with us young because our young cars. We all gotta like, you know what I'm saying, to show that you don't gotta hate on the next person or nothing like that, bro. So That's what it's all about, you know what I'm saying? So we can all be united and all help each other come up and stuff like that. So this is all about, man. You already know, man. I need a haircut though. Looking a little rough.
You say that in last video.
Why you laughing?
Like every time I see you
Just walk away.
I need
Just gonna walk away. Just gonna walk away on that one. Yeah, man. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Pull out with the car. Show y'all with something, the new thing that I got added to the scat, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, click notification bell. See y'all on Wednesday video, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. We back. We at the gas station right now, filling up before we head to the city. I'm very impressed with the way my car looks, man. It look real good. I'm gonna use the bathroom, so I'm gonna make this quick. But this joint definitely, long look out of it. I'm finna do a walk around to the front. That's what we got new. Right there. Yes, sir. That's just nasty. That's nasty. Then I don't know what's going on with that white. The white went out again. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to get a new one from RGB. I ain't tripping about that. But looking good right now. Drips. Yeah, man, that's what we got new with. If it looks better from a distance too, so it's look nasty. So like that, man. Texas ready. Can't clean it for 2 days because he painted the 392 again. So just stay tuned, man. We got some lit content for y'all. Man, it's so hard to get this driving footage because you know I know how Chicago traffic is, but this lineup is me. Oh, see it. Y'all see it. Oh,
We live.
we got my boy Monte right there. My boy Keanu right there. My boy Monte right there. I don't know why the camera ain't gonna do justice. But it's a situation out here. Hey, I got a whole concert out here, huh?
Oh yeah. Loud. Super loud, bro.
I tested it and I got the camera, but I ain't have it all the way up.
Bro,
So-
I come out, you just beat.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro. I didn't think it was that loud, so I came out here, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Where everybody ready?
We just waiting on school.
Oh, Scoot in the car, bro.
He is?
Yeah, I see Scoot in the car. Oh, we finna head out. Alright, so we done action. Uh-oh. Hold on, watch out. Hey. I can't move that fast in these tight jeans, bro. Hold on, let me move some. Hey, I'm tripping. Turn your music down. Hey, hold on, let me watch out. Hey, you seen where I was? My car. Stop playing with me. That's so fucking come on. Slide, God. Stop playing with my boy. Hey, stop playing with my boy. Stop playing with him. Hey, I told you he's a fire guy, bro. I gotta turn it off now. Hey, bro, you good? You good, bro? You good, bro? I'll make sure you good. So you like that, huh?
Tell him I'm like that.
So
Take
like
over
that,
King
huh?
in Chicago.
So you
Come on,
slide out of Chicago.
Take over King, man. Stop
Let me, hey, hold on, wait. Y'all know I gotta do the honor retire shit. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh, you good. You good a little bit. You good. Hey, this one's hot.
Them thick boys.
This one's hot, bro. This one's hot. I don't think I'm Anyways, my camera finna die. My camera finna die. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, see y'all watch this video. I'm finna go live, so enjoy that. I'm out, man. Peace. So I know I said the video over, but police just came through on this joint decent.